What do you think? He's shy. Good morning and welcome to another week in my life. My coffee is ready, so I'm ready to pour. That's much better. Yes, I drink my coffee with a straw. No, it's not too hot. Get all the questions about that pretty often. I guess I'm just used to it, so I drink it carefully, but usually by the time I actually drink my coffee, it's not really hot, so it's not a problem to drink it with a straw. And my straws are from Amazon. I will link them down below. These cups are from HomeSense, so I can't link them, but I will try to find something similar online. The reason why I like them is because it has a silicone lid that the straw fits through. Cheers to your morning coffee. Getting ready for work this morning. I already took a shower. I'm just gonna do something with my hair up and then head to work a little bit early. I feel like I want to just like get a bunch of things off my to-do list this morning. I woke up refreshed. Yesterday I had like a lazy Sunday, so I feel more refreshed and I'm ready to conquer my day. My finished look. I always put my mascara on in this mirror here because it's just a lot easier to get closer, but I have my hair up because I just don't want to deal with it today. And it's like a gloomy day. I don't know if it's gonna rain. I should probably check the weather so I bring an umbrella. But this is my outfit. I went for a comfy look today because I don't have too many meetings, but I have a lot of work to do, so I'm probably gonna be just sitting at my desk. So I really like the color of this sweater. It is from Loft. It's a really light blue. I like the sleeve detail on it, and it's just really comfy. And then these pants are super comfy. They're from Dynamite. I actually have two pairs of them because I love them so much. They're just like black dress pants. They have like a clasp here and they're super stretchy and comfy, so that's pretty much it. Oh, I didn't put on any jewelry yet, but it will just be my typical jewelry. And then I'm not wearing shoes inside yet, but I'm just gonna put on some black booties, and that's my outfit. Really nothing too special, but I'm gonna pack up my bag and head off to work. I'm home from work now. Today was a really productive day. I love when I don't have too many meetings and I can actually get work done. So I feel good. I currently have some chicken marinating in a bowl and I'm gonna prep some dinner. My boyfriend's gonna come over because he just got back from New York and I'm making dinner for us. So I'm gonna get started on that. I'm gonna get changed first. I also just finished posting an Instagram post of the new Sally Hansen Sheerly Beautiful collection. I love the sheer shades and I actually had them on my nails just before this. This is Almond Tan from the Good Kind Pure collection, but I had on the sheer shades before, but I didn't want to wear them before they were released because I couldn't tell you guys about them. So that's now out. So I just posted to Instagram the swatches for the collection. Did that right when I got home, and now I can finish making dinner. the table. I'm gonna take my first bite. I feel like it's too hot. What do you think? He's shy. That's why he's not on camera. But everyone always asks me, where's your partner? He's here. It is much later now. I had a nice evening catching up with my boy, and now I'm gonna go to bed, but I have these little plants. I have 6 of them that I keep on my ledge by my desk, and I need to water them. And I learned this trick that if you put coffee grinds into them, that it's like supposed to help. I don't know, because they're growing tall, but like the ends are kind of dry. So I'm gonna try this. These are my used coffee grinds from the morning, and you're supposed to put them in the plants to help fertilize, I think. Let's try it with this one, see how it goes. Made my plant a cup of coffee, looks like. Normally I fill this all the way. And then I let it sit while I do the other ones, and then I just drain the excess water, whatever didn't get absorbed. It's usually how I do this. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but that is how I water my plants. All right, these are my plants over here. So I drained out the extra water. This is kind of whatever was left. And I don't know if this is really a life hack, but I feel like it helps to keep the plant moisturized because the coffee grinds will absorb any extra moisture. I'm not sure. I probably should have Googled this, but I heard it from someone, so I wanted to try it. And I thought it might help bring my plants back to a better life because they've seen better days. If you have any advice for me in the comments below, please give me advice, because I've had these 6 little succulents. I think I used to have more. These are the ones that have survived, but honestly, like if I touch this one's little branches, they fall off. So they're not doing so well. I just got home from work and I am starving. I had a salad for lunch today, and whenever I have a salad for lunch, I'm always so hungry when I get home. But luckily I cooked a big meal yesterday. Now I just have to heat it up. I already have something ready, which is the best thing. Sorry, it's really dark and gloomy today. It's dark in the video. I'm really excited to be productive this evening because I made my food yesterday. And so now I don't have to do any dishes or cook anything. I just have to put this in the microwave and enjoy. And the time it took me to get changed, my food is ready. I'm so happy. It is a little while later. I went out this evening and ran some errands with my boyfriend, and now I'm sitting down and I'm having like a relaxing self-care moment, and I'm painting my nails. So I am done with the color. I'm actually just putting on top coat. The top coat that I like to use is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel top coat. I have a ton of these, and it is the step 2 to the Miracle Gel line, but it's also just a really good top coat. And I was going back and forth with which shade I should put on my nails. I was actually gonna use this one from the Sheer collection, which is a brand new one called Opal Minded, but I actually went for this one because it's like a tint of pink, and it's also new that I haven't used before. It's from OPI. So it looks like white, but it's tinted slightly pink. Not pink, why am I saying pink? Slightly purple. And this one is called Hue is the artist, and this is from the new Mexico City collection from OPI. I got their PR package as well. So I am doing my top coat now and sealing it in and watching some YouTube videos. Just relaxing for now, and then I can do some computer work while my nails are drying. That is my life hack to not smudging your nails, is just like do computer work, because you're just going like this and your nails have the opportunity to dry. This is something I never ever ever do in the morning, but I'm ironing my shirt because I really have this vision for what I want to wear, and this shirt needs to be ironed. I'm all ready to go. This is the finished outfit. My hair is straight. It was straight yesterday, so I just touched it up. I did my everyday makeup, wearing my everyday jewelry with my Swarovski necklace, this crystal ring. I will link something similar down below, and my Daniel Wellington black leather watch. And then for my outfit, I'm wearing this white button-down shirt that is from H&M. So this is what I ironed this morning. And then I'm wearing this black vest on top. I'm wearing a black belt with a silver buckle. This is from RW & Co. I can link something similar down below, or if they have the same one. And then these jeans are from Citizen of Humanity. So my outfit is pretty black and white, but I'm dressing this up with the shoe. So these are the shoes that I'm gonna wear. They are a snakeskin booty from Nordstrom. They are by the brand Treasure and Bond. And these are so cute. They will totally dress up the look, add some pattern and color. So I'm gonna bring these with me to work. And then I usually travel in like my rain boots or something because it's a little wet outside. But definitely more sunny than it has been the last few days. You could hear my dishwasher, it's very loud. I ran that this morning. This is my outfit. Today I'm going to a women's event because this weekend is International Women's Day, so we are celebrating as an organization today. So I dressed up a little bit. This is actually a two-piece that I found in my mom's closet. So it's a black fine pinstripe blazer and matching skirt. So you can see the blazer is really long. And then I'm wearing, the color's not picking up very well here, but I'm wearing a plum turtleneck. I need to clean this mirror. Underneath, my typical jewelry. And then for shoes, I'm wearing these wedges that have a strap around the ankle, pointy toe, that I got from Forever 21 a long time ago. I only have one on because I'm gonna take them off to head to work now, but hair is curled. That is my outfit for today. Another morning trying to rush out the door. Is this considered purple or maroon? Because I don't really know, but I'm supposed to wear purple today. Again, because my team is doing a celebration for International Women's Day, so I'm wearing purple. But I'm actually heading out to an event this morning for a little bit over an hour. So I need to hurry up and get there. And then I have a full day of meetings. I've been up early trying to get ahead of some of my work today. I had an event last night for International Women's Day, so I feel like I'm all over the place, but we're on top of it and doing what it takes to get everything done. So I'm gonna put on my coat now and head out the door. Hey, this is Editing Rachel coming in to end the vlog. I just finished putting this together. I know this video was kind of all over the place, so I wanted to pop in here and give it a formal ending, because the end of it I was kind of just popping in and showing you my outfits because there was a lot of festivities for International Women's Day that I was going to, and then I spent the weekend up where my parents live and went to coffee with a friend of mine who was visiting, and I really miss her, so that was really special to include this in this vlog. And this was filmed at the beginning of March before we started staying at home, so I'm editing now while in quarantine, but just wanted to let you know that this was pre-filmed. And all of the vlogs after this will be up to date. So I hope you will subscribe if you want to continue following along, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!